Okay, let's take a look at a no software solution to converting a RAW file into a JPEG file. RAW file is the super super detailed file that gets recorded with a digital camera. We want to shoot our images in RAW format as much as possible because it gives us more opportunities to do things with the image in the edit. RAW files are big. RAW files need to be converted often. And sometimes you don't have any software to do that. Usually you could do that with Adobe Bridge or Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Lightroom. But let's say you don't have any of those. We want to talk about how you can convert a RAW file into something else, like a JPEG, without any software. So I've got a website up here called raw.pix.io. It's an example of one of a number of types of websites out there that can help you convert your RAW file. So just want to do a quick walkthrough of using this website in particular. I'm not necessarily endorsing this website. It happens to be one that's out there. There are others. I've used this, I've used others, and they all kind of work the same. So just a quick demo on how to do that. Here is a RAW file. It is a NEF format. There are several types of RAW file formats. This is Nikon's, or one of Nikon's. And here it is. It's a 9.9 megabyte RAW file. Not large by any contemporary standards, but it is a RAW file. You can see here that it's the Nikon electronic format file. And here's our website, rawpix.io, raw.pix.io. It's a tool. It's an online file format conversion tool. It's really simple to use. It works whether you're using a Mac or a PC or something else like a Chromebook, because the processing is happening not using any of your software. It's using some software that's part of the website. Okay, so let's take a look and see how it works. I'm going to click the Start button here. We're going to go into the conversion interface, and it's really simple. It says drop files here to view and convert. I'm just going to do that. I'm going to follow the directions. I'm going to grab this image, which is on my desktop, the RAW file. I'm going to drop it right here. And the website is now an image editing interface. There's a film strip along the bottom, so I could add some more images if I wanted, and then I could start processing the images. There's a number of options that I have here on the left sidebar. Mainly all I want to do is convert this to a JPEG, but I just want to point out that there's a lot of cool tools here, including an edit interface where you can kind of go in and start to make some changes to the tones, the colors, or even I can even crop it. So I'm not going to do any editing today. Just want to convert this file. So I'm going to save this file. Very similar to, let's say, a save or export function in a program like Photoshop. We can choose a name. We can choose a format. Options are JPEG and PNG. I'll choose JPEG. We can choose a quality. I'll say 100. And we can choose a size. I'll just keep it to original, but if we wanted to resize it, we could do that here. And also the DPI or PPI, pixels per inch, of the image. I'll just leave it as is, but just point out that all of these are settings that you can customize. Click Save. We have progress. And we have success. Your files have been converted. Please find them in the Downloads folder of your browser. Okay, that was very easy. So let's go to our Downloads folder. Let's see, where would that be here? My computer with many monitors. Hold on, I'm looking around on my monitors. Here we go. Found it. So here is the image. Let's bring it out to the desktop. Let's open it up. There we go, on another monitor again. So here's our RAW file. Here's the JPEG. Conversion has happened. Let's look at the file size difference. Our RAW file is 9.9 megabytes. Our JPEG is 3.6 megabytes. This is to be expected because a JPEG will have less color information than a RAW file for sure. Also, we did set it to 72 dpi. But anyway, that's how you do it using an online tool such as raw.pix.io. Very simple and very quick. So give it a shot.